Hail to you, champions. My name is Ishka TV. Joining me today is Goof Guy.
What's up, everybody?
So we are going to be doing kind of like a commentary playthrough here on Elderborn. We could put it here on the Elderborn difficulty. There is hard AF, but I think there's going to be some silliness happening. So we're going to go ahead and keep it on Elderborn.
Yeah, I'm a bit old. I'm a bit of a senior citizen here, and that's the only way I
My back. I feel like a senior citizen running around after a 2-year-old every day.
I am so glad.
Dude, it's
that
tough.
You run around with a 2-year-old.
It's tough.
Oh, God.
All right,
Like,
so we've been playing this game since beta, and I'm pretty excited about it. This is one of the first major updates to this game since release, where they updated not only just combat parry systems, the way the weapons work on the enemies, but there's also New Game Plus, which hopefully we'll get to that. Maybe not in this episode, but tell me what you feel. How you feeling Elderborn lately?
I think it's, from what I've been looking at you play, I think it's the speedrunner's nightmare of funny, especially when you get kicked off ledges and stuff. But I do believe that it is one of a special little place in my heart. It has a little special place in my heart.
Yeah, the more and more I play this game, it's funny, the more and more I even stream this game, the people in chat are like, whoa, have you played Dark Messiah? You know, have you played Hexen? Have you played all these other old school games that I think that they did reference from in this game? Like, Hyperstrange really pulled on those old nostalgic games.
You can tell the number of senior citizens going on out there playing this now because they played Dark Messiah or Might and Magic back then.
Well, some people really enjoy it, and you know, I actually just recently picked up those games because I actually haven't played Dark Messiah, so it'll be interesting. Yeah, no, I haven't touched it. So I think it's gonna be interesting for me be playing this game and then going back and playing the game that inspired the game, you know, and the big thing, I think the inspiration is the kick. I'm told that the kick in this game is Dark Messiah all over it.
There's something to be said about the kick, but there's also something to be said about the Source engine back then when it was running on, and it's still running on today, on how the physics actually plays out. In this game, it's a bit smoother. In that game, it's a bit more janky, but the physics is actually quite CPU intensive back then. Here, I think it's baked, but I'm not sure.
When you talk about a game like Messiah, right? Dark Messiah, that is what, 2005? 99?
I forgot.
15, 17 years ago?
Give me a moment, let me check.
Yeah. I mean, this is the perfect room to talk about that because of, look, kick. Gravity is your greatest ally and the most devious, evil fiend in this game.
Came out in 2006, 25th October. I do think that when you say it's an evil game, back then the enemies were orcs. Here what we get is bulbous, pus, light neon enemies that look like, you know, mummies. Really well designed mummies.
Oh, I thought I kicked him off. Uh-oh, that's the first heal.
6 men, 1 guy, 1 leg, lots of gravity.
Yeah, if I was smart, I would have kicked him. Now I gotta I gotta fight them the right way.
Come on, push him! What is this? The fellow with the shoes going, oh my god, what about my friend?
That dude, he is the one who messed me up. I'm just trying to loot this. Alright. I'm coming for you. My boot is coming for his jaw. It's gonna happen.
That's the challenge, yeah. Charge his face and get him.
Boom.
Come on!
There he
We're
is.
in the credits because we're good. Don't get there. Get
I
good.
just tried to teabag. There's no crouch in the game.
I forgot about that.
You gotta really just BM the bad guys. They're barbarians. I'm pretty certain barbarians teabag.
Really?
Yeah, and then eat their kill. But like either way. Yeah, they're gonna teabag.
I thought they put them up on poles and shit.
Nah,
like
no.
Conan.
Look, that you do that with way too weak of enemies. All right, if you're like from Conan world, like you
Yeah, nobody's been there.
you consume the enemy who's strong as you or stronger. You know, gotta get their life force.
Over here, I think the world here is called your mom. So, are you gonna get the hammer?
I have to.
Oh, you have to get the hammer.
Yeah, there's.
Spoiler alert.
Yeah, there we go.
That's a hammer in this game, boys. That's right. Keep wrecking.
You just gotta set up. You just gotta set up the kicks. Boot to the face. That's a real old
I
reference.
like how whenever you kick them, it looks as though you're giving it to them in the gut or in the crop. It's weird. It's like they aim down, you know. You don't kick them backwards. You kick them inwards.
Well, I mean, they're completely emaciated. They probably weigh like 50 pounds, like 20 kilo. At most.
I don't know your boot has 20 kilos on it.
I mean, look at the spikes on this thing. I feel
Made
like your
out of
boot is your
Cast
most.
iron or something.
If you look at the art of this game, I'm pretty sure the boot has the most armor than any other part of your body.
That's why you can't wear armor. It's all in the boots to kick. Oh my god.
Not today, frog boy.
Kick this guy. Kick this guy as he jumps towards you.
Nah, hold on. They deserve that.
Come on. Come on,
They
do
think
it.
they
The
can
next
just-
guy. Push him off.
The next dude's a scorpion. Oh, no. Here, we can kick these. This is perfect. This is a ledge and everything. Here we go.
Not them at the same time.
Thelma and
They were like,
Louise
"What
over here.
happened? What happened? Like, oh lord.
We were 1v1ing, and then this barbarian out of nowhere kicked us.
Like who the hell is this guy? Is it someone
both
from
might.
your mom?
Someone from your mom called.
Your mom. Yep.
Oh, just a little bit more strength, and I think I can two-shot scorpions.
Why do they explode in fire? That part. It's like what?
Look, these are the most.
The mini bombs. Oh no, the toads.
I'll be alright. I'll be okay. I gotta get them out of here.
What an achievement stabbing them in the gut. Well done.
Well, there we go. We got it. We got it. Woo! There's your victory twirl.
Woo!
Oh.
Woo!
Here we go.
Alright, there we go. That's
We're gonna take care of him real quick.
That poor fellow couldn't even like
Stop.
in
It's hammer time.
mid-air. You got it. In mid-air.
Mhm. We're not gonna use it just yet. We got shield boys we gotta take care of. Let them come up this way. This is.
Get back. What
Kick.
the hell? They fell down to fight the stairs and it broke.
I mean, have you? Oh,
Oh my god,
oh.
into water.
Is he dead? Got him. Oh, I killed him over there, and his soul popped up over here.
I guess he died back there before he showed up. Then he just gave up after that.
His soul gave up. His body kept going.
I think as though this is a little Indiana Jones tromp or romp, you know, because you're kicking everything.
Oh, I like that. Yeah.
It literally, like, you don't have a whip, but you have a big fat stick. Two of them.
You know,
Like,
what else it
it's
makes me think of?
silly and serious at the same time.
Ooh,
That's what it looks like to me.
the double kill. Ooh, he took his head.
Oh, the guy's head just flew off. Wow, with the blue blood everywhere.
So there's like my favorite part of this particular level, just imagery wise, we went through it already.
Through it.
Where those lava scorpions were. Just I think it's gorgeous. The fire, the glow. I mean, you've got fire scorpions as well, you know? It's like you're in the middle of the heart of a volcano. And I like that.
I like the red banded scorpions. It's like they're from the wrong universe. Like they're Tron-like. They look so weird, but I love it. I love the red. It looks like a race car kind of like scorpion.
You mean the black and red ones? Oh,
Yeah, the
they
black and
do
red-
look
the
like the
big ones.
bad, like, what's his
Yeah.
name? The main bad guy from Tron. He looks like, now that you said it, that's all I can think.
He looks like Rizzler. Yeah.
Like, I'm thinking, like, I'm imagining him, like the scorpions in this game, playing that Ricochet game.
Oh, man,
Like, just grabbing it with their tail and flinging it.
Yeah. Kick him!
No.
Oh, kick his ass!
It's hammer
This fellow
time.
too.
Doom.
You gotta edit that in now. Every
Oh,
time
I
you
tried
say
to
it,
parry.
hammer time, you gotta put in the music. Then after that, you get demonetized immediately.
No. We're doing this for your mom. We're doing this for your mom.
For your mom.
That's right.
My mom
Pop this
wants to
open.
make me breakfast.
Do I need to go this way?
Yeah, up.
I
yeah,
gotta
you
get
go.
that, yeah. Can we just... Oh, you saved
Oh,
over
great
there.
job! Wow, saved by that spear. This fellow doesn't even know what's going on. Oh man.
Gotta get our essence. Oh yeah. This is just the way back. Do I need to go back that way? I don't think so. It's just the way back. We up and only up. Punch.
The trap rooms. That's where you need to go.
Yeah, I think it's through here. Do that again. There we go. Got him, coach.
Wow, you reflected it right back into his crotch. Well done. Right into his undergarments, man. What a
Well, you know, he hit me earlier. He deserved it.
Call yourself a paladin after doing that.
I mean, he's evil. You gotta castrate the evil, you know? You gotta chastise the evil. Chastise the easel. Ugh.
Chastise the easel and the evil. Oh, I got your beta. That hammer.
Got him. Now it's time to kick.
Kick. This room is the best. You said it yourself earlier on that this room is like what, the hardest room?
I think this room is the hardest room.
I did die here like twice before. But I found a way to cheese just like what you did right there. Kick them off.
This isn't cheese, this is pure tactics.
He just... Oh, he hitbox. He hitbox denied.
He did. Ice. If he stands right here, I can't hit him. There we go.
Whoa.
This is pure tactic right here. Wind up and out of here. I missed.
Oh. He's like, I'm gonna slam the ground in front of you, buddy.
There we go. I don't know how many times I died the first time I played this event.
I died twice.
You have dudes coming out of the walls. You got the shield guys that want to make it just as hard as possible, and you're dealing with shield dudes, and guess what? You're getting spears thrown at you nonstop.
The best part is, there's always more. And then, of course, the redeeming kick.
That's right. Get out of here.
Guy, did you see that guy? He went down on one knee and slid backwards. Off the side.
He's like, no, not gravity. Stairs are these mummies' worst nightmare, and Claptrap's worst nightmare.
Took me forever to kill everything.
Well, with the new update to the parry system, that might be a thing of the past.
I like how they're looking at you. They're opening their mouths going, feed me. Feed me.
All we have is sand here. Oh, you're sneaking up on me.
Oh, this room. Come on. Get the golden girl.
I will.
that
I'm waiting
way.
for...
The
There we
wrong
go.
golden girl.
Excuse me. Look at that. There we go. Now it's time for the hammer.
God. Sweep them with that broom. She went straight for the wall. I was like, alright, that's your final resting place.
That was close. That was close. You know the
Souls.
enemy. You know the enemy is around the corner. And as soon as... You don't even wait. You just... Let's go for it now. Now's the time to strike.
Kick his ass.
I mean, if he wants to guard it, he can guard it.
He can't do shit.
Oh, we're switching the spear. No. I don't play around with scorpions. I'm gonna try something. Oh, that didn't work. That didn't work at all? I tried to parry the trap.
Oh, there's the Tron Scorp once
Oh.
more.
No!
No!
No, goof!
You goofed up. Wow, I'm
Well,
so proud of you, Ishka. So proud of you. You are the goof guy now.
That's the no. Well, that's gonna be the first episode, the first attempt of a no death run. Clearly, a little bit more practice is gonna be needed. This is on the Elderborn difficulty. I had fun. What about you?
I
Yeah?
had a lot of fun. That was amazing.
Maybe next time. Next time we'll watch you play, and we'll see how far you get.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll rotate.
Yeah. We'll do a challenge run. Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right. Well, for those of you who are watching, thank you for getting this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Ishka TV. Like I said, joined by Goof Guy. You can find us on Twitter, and down below you'll find links to our Twitch pages. All right, see you guys in the next episode.